If you ever wanted to learn how to draw super cute, adorable animals, you're in luck. You're about to learn how. My name is Rodgon the artist. I am a professional designer and illustrator, and I am your 21 draw instructor today. Over the last 20 years, I have studied, analyzed, and refined drawing techniques to make the most adorable and appealing characters possible. But not only are we going to draw really cute animals, we're also going to learn how to make them dynamic, and also how to take those drawings and do more with them down the line. But Rodgon, why do I need to learn how to draw really cute animal characters? Isn't that just for fun? Haha! That is a very common misconception. Drawing adorable animals has a gigantic market, all the way from animation, graphic design, storyboarding, visual development, marketing, advertising, and everywhere in between. You can design t-shirts, you can make stickers, you can make pins for all of you that actually like to do your own stuff, and also it'll help you refine your skills so that you can possibly get that job at that animation company you've been wanting to, or to finally be able to create those stories that you have in your nugget. This course will be separated into different modules. Each module will teach you a valuable core skill that by itself will be a valuable lesson, but when put together as a process, will teach you how to bring a character from scratch all the way to a very marketable and sellable design that you can have in your inventory down the line. Throughout this course, I will teach you the proper way to save your work and formatting so that you can make the most out of your designs. Not only will you learn to draw a little bit better, but you will also be a more well-rounded artist and also become a lot more valuable to employers and clients alike. So go grab your sketchbooks, go grab your favorite pen, grab some coffee, and let's begin.